Good morning children, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing good. I am your maths teacher Rajlakshmi Desai. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of multiplication of integers. Property number 1, product of any two integers is also an integer. Here if you take an example of minus 2 into plus 4, minus into plus is minus, 2 4s are 8. So you get minus 8, which is also an integer. Property number 2, product remains the same even if we change the order of integers. Here an example is 5 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 15. Plus into minus is minus, 5 3s are 15. Here in the first place you have 5 and in the second place you have minus 3. If you change the order, you get minus 3 in the first place, 5 in the second place. Here if you multiply, minus into plus is minus, 3 5s are 15. So you get the same answer even if you change the order of the given integers. Property number 3, product remains the same even if we change the groupings of the integers. Here you have taken 3 integers, that is 2, minus 10 and 3. As you know, first 2 integers are grouped here and multiplied. Because you have 2 integers which is multiplied inside the brackets, so first we are going to multiply these two. Plus into minus is minus, 10, 2 tens are 20, into 3 is outside the bracket, keep it as it is. In the next step, multiply the 2 integers, minus into plus, which is minus, 23s are 60. Here in the second case, you are taking the same 3 integers, but you are going to change the group. You are grouping the second integer and third integer. In the first step, you are going to keep 2 as it is, into you are going to solve the integers which is inside the brackets. So minus into plus is minus, 10 3s are 30. In the second step, you are going to multiply these two integers. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 30 is 60. So even if you change the groups, still the answer remains the same. Property number 4, product of an integer and 0 is 0. Here if you take minus 5 into 0, you get the answer as 0. Any integer you take and multiply with 0, you get the answer as 0. Property number 5, 1 multiplied by any integer is the integer itself. Here we have minus 9 is an integer and you are going to multiply it with 1, you get the same integer, that is minus 9. Plus 24 is an integer, multiply with 1, you get the same integer, that is plus 24. Here 1 is called the identity element of multiplication. Here you can see children, after multiplying 1 with an integer, you get the same integer, that is identity. So which is the identity element here? 1 for multiplication. Children, the last property is property number 6. This property is called as the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here if you take 3 integers, that is 2 into bracket minus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2 into minus 3. So the first number or the integer which is outside the bracket and the integer which is inside the bracket, which is in the first place, has to be multiplied and plus as it is, and again the integer which is outside 2 into plus 5 which is inside the bracket in the second place has to be multiplied in the second case. So if you verify these two, left hand side and right hand side, you get the answer same. Let us see with the left hand side here, 2 into minus 3 plus 5. The integers which are inside the brackets has to be solved first. So 2 as it is, minus 3 plus 5 which is equal to plus 2 and 2 2s are 4. If you take the right hand side over here, 2 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5. As we know, according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to multiply. So plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6, plus as it is 2 5s are 10, minus 6 plus 10 which is equal to 4. So here you have got LHS is equal to RHS. Children, let us solve the problems from worksheet number 6 under the topic properties of multiplication of integers. Before we solve, let us see what are the signs we get after multiplying the integers. So if you have the different signs, that is if you are multiplying the integers with the different signs, that is if one is having plus sign, the other one is having minus sign, then in the product or in the answer we get minus. Suppose the integer which is having negative sign is in the first place and the integer which is having positive sign is in the second place, then in the answer you get again minus sign. So if the integers are different, for example if I take plus 2 into minus 2, so one is having plus sign, the other one is having minus sign. If you multiply these two integers, in the answer you get minus sign and 2 2s are 4. Here if I take other two integers minus 3 and plus 2, here also we have to multiply the integers with the minus sign and plus sign. Here they have different signs, plus and minus. So in the answer you get minus sign, 3 2s are 6. So if you have different signs, after you multiply you get the answer as negative. But in case of same signs means here both are having plus sign, and if you multiply the answer you get positive. And if you have minus sign, here the signs are same, so in the answer you get again positive sign. If I take two integers here, plus 2 into plus 3, plus into plus is plus, 2 3s are 6, minus into minus is plus because they have same sign, and plus minus 2 into minus 3, 2 3s are 6 again. So if you have different signs you get minus, if you have same signs you get plus. With this, let us solve the problems from worksheet number 6. Question number 1. Write the appropriate sign of the product. That means after you multiply the two integers, what is the sign you get? You have to fill it in the box. Question number A. Minus 3 into plus 5. Here minus into plus, different signs are there, so in the answer you get minus. In question number B, you have again different signs, so in the answer you get minus. Question number C. In the question you have two integers which are having same signs, minus 15 and minus 3. So in the answer you must have plus sign. So 15 3s are 45. Question number D. Here also you can observe that both are different signs. So the answer or the product, in the product you have to have minus sign. 8 1s are 8. Next is question number 2. Find the product of the following. Here minus 5 into 6. First let us look at the signs here. If nothing is there before the number, it is understood that it is having plus sign. So let us know what is the answer you get as the product. As we know, if you have different signs, one is plus and one is minus, then you get minus sign. 5 6 are 30. Here you have same signs, that is minus, so in the answer you get plus. 19 3s are 57. In question number C, you can see there are different signs, one is plus and one is minus, so you get minus in the answer. 15 4s are 60. In question number D, you have same signs, minus into minus which is plus. 16 2s are 32. Next is question number 3. Find the value of the following. So in question number A, to find the value of the question following, you have to use the distributive property here. Let us group the integers according to the BODMAS rule. Here you have multiplication sign, so we are grouping these two and these two. What is common in both? If you observe, you can see 567 is common in both. So 567 is kept outside, and what is left in this group? That is 1234 minus, in the second group you have 234. 567 into what is 234 minus 234, that is 1000, which is equal to 567 into 1 is 567, 3 is followed by 3 zeros. So the answer is 5,67,000. In question number B, here children, you can see that if I want to group the numbers according to the BODMAS rule, first you have multiplication sign. So let me group these two integers. In the second case, you can see here 739 is there, but you have no integer multiplied with it. As you know, any integer, suppose if you have 3, if you multiply with 1, you get the same integer. With this property, we can include 1 here. So I am grouping minus 739 into 1 because the answer is again minus 739. Now let us use the distributive property. What is common in both? Here you have 739. Let me keep the number or integer 739 outside, and after you keep 739 outside, what is left inside the bracket? Here 99 in the first group, minus into minus, which is plus, and you are left with 1. Next you have 739 into 99 plus 1 is 100. 739 into 1 is 739 followed by 2 zeros. Therefore the answer is 73,900. Next you have write the integer which when multiplied by minus 1 gives minus 3. Here in this question number A, you can see minus 3 is there. This minus 3 has to be multiplied with the negative integer, that is minus 1. So what is the answer we get after multiplying minus 1 with the minus 3? Because they have same signs, here you get the answer plus 3 ones are 3. In question number B, again you need to multiply 19 by minus 1. 19 is having plus sign, 1 is having minus sign. So we have different signs, so answer must be minus. 19 ones are 19. Question number C, 0 has to be multiplied by minus 1. We know according to the property of multiplication, any integer multiplied with 0 is always 0. Question number D, 74 has to be multiplied by minus 1. If you have different signs, the answer is minus, and 74 ones are 74. Question number 5. Here we need to compare the following. Question number A, you have got left hand side and right hand side. Let us solve first left hand side here. You can see that there are two integers inside the brackets. 7 plus 6, which is 13, into 10. 13 tens are 130. In the right hand side you can see that 7 plus 6 into 10. According to the BODMAS rule, we have to multiply first. Keep 7 as it is, plus 6 tens are 60. 60 plus 7 is 67. Here you can observe that 130 is greater than 67. In question number B, 11 minus 9 into 8. So first let us solve the numbers or integers which is inside the brackets. 11 minus 9 is 2 into 8. 8 2s are 16. Then you have 11 minus 9 into 8. 11 as it is minus 9 8s are 72. Here you have plus 11 minus 72. Let us subtract minus 72 and plus 11 because you have different signs. One is minus, one is plus. We need to subtract 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 6, 6. Bigger number sign is minus. So in answer you get a minus 61. If you compare these two integers, 16 is greater than minus 61. Children, with this we are going to end the worksheet number 6. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.